We're trying to figure out the interest rate for each bank. So Marcia, we use this formula because it's compounded quarterly, and her balance is $13,702.59. She started out with $10,000. That's 1 plus R, which we're trying to find, over 4 for quarterly, to the 4 times 5, because it's 2007, 2012, it's 5 years. So it's N times T, 4 times 5 is 20. And then the first thing I want to do is divide both sides by 10,000 equals 1 plus R over 4 to the 20th. And I think we'll go ahead and simplify the left-hand side. All that's going to do is move your decimal, and that turns into 1.370259 equals 1 plus R over 4 to the 20th. And so now you need to raise both sides to the 1/20th, or take the 20th root of both sides. It's the same thing. So that's 1.370259 to the 1 over 20. And